Hello and good day. This is the daily analysis of the GBPUSD pair. On February 3rd, as predicted, the price had a short-term upward correction. After that, it collected the buy-side liquidity and then continued its downward trend. It moved towards the lower liquidity level and eventually stopped in the fair value gap area. It is predicted that the price will have a short-term correction to the upside, enter the FBG area, and then continue its downward trend to target lower prices. Our first level is a weekly level that has been refined on the daily and 4-hour charts. The first level is at 1.3592, and the next level is at 1.3568, which is an area. The daily unicorn, which has also been refined, is now a 4-hour level. Also, with the release of the ISM manufacturing PMI data, we see that the data, compared to the previous and the forecasted numbers, have been released exceptionally well, which has strengthened the DXY index in the market, and it is predicted that the DXY index may have a short-term slide downward and then return to its trend. Continue its upward movement toward the 98.153 range. In the 1-hour timeframe analysis of the GBPUSD pair, as we observe the market structure, we see the price moving downward in a bearish trend. After the necessary liquidity is collected on the sell side of the market, a clear swing failure pattern strategy has officially formed. There is a strong possibility that the price could be rejected from the specific order block area located at level 1.3706, potentially leading to a further move downward, and continue down to the fair value gap area at level 1.3665, or, with increased momentum, down to 1.3642. At this point, we can look for a trading strategy to take a position in the market. The target is the bearish order block area at level 1.3757. However, if the price is accompanied by a bearish displacement and closes below the 1.3623 level, it could continue the trend. It could continue its bearish move down to the BPR and unicorn areas at level 1.3567. Set the target in the 15-minute time frame analysis of the GBPUSD pair. It is predicted that the price will move upwards. It will collect the buy-side liquidity and take out the Asian session high. And if it closes in that Asian session range, we might see a distribution move in the New York session. However, the distribution move already happened in the London session, and in the New York session, we only had a consolidation move. My prediction is that the price will move upwards during the London session. It will collect the buy-side liquidity from the highs of the day and eventually move downward. We can look for signs of a reversal in the market at the 1.3638 level, which is an order block zone, and use this opportunity to enter a buy position. And we can trade with a risk-to-reward ratio of 1.1 or 1.2. But if during the London session, the price moves downward with momentum, then, later on in the New York session, it can potentially continue its current trend, and do so with a very strong, decisive move forward. Collect the sell-side liquidity. Wishing you success and profitable trades!